Good day, I am Lloyd from BROKSTOCK, and today we are going to cover another one of our features on our app called Smart Score. Just a friendly reminder, BROKSTOCK is an authorized financial service provider regulated by the FSCA under the license number 51404. Now, there are many benefits to having a BROKSTOCK account. One of the most important is how simple we make investing. Smart investors understand that research is vital and to do it well takes time, especially if you are investing in US shares. We've done the legwork and created an uncomplicated rating system to guide your investment decisions. When you open the BROKSTOCK app, go to US shares, you can choose the share you're interested in. For example, let us search Coca-Cola. We open the instrument and we click on the Focus tab. Now the first thing you see is the Smart Score rating and suggestion, whether to hold, buy, or sell based on the rating. Our Smart Score tool analyzes multiple factors and rates and assets on a scale between 1 and 10. The higher the score, the better the opportunity. There are several factors that go into where the market set a share price and how a share is expected to perform. So how do we come up with the rating? We look at several important factors that go into the valuation. This includes research and analysis from market experts, the views and opinions of financial bloggers, director dealings, hedge funds, technical analysis, as well as fundamental analysis. A Smart Score ratings balances all these data points to create one score. Please take note that positive factors are in green and negative factors are in red. You can further investigate the different factors for yourself to make an independent investment decision. Thank you for watching.